the spot.
Right there.
Is that tender right there?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Right. I'm gonna get a little bit right over on this side though. Sorry, I'm sorry. That's my fault. A little click. And this feels okay too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Ah.
There it is.
You and Dr. Chris always find a little magic spot.
There we go.
Uh-huh.
Right there's a little bit. Is that less there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hold that little release a little bit more. Perfect. Awesome. I'll make you taller too. I'm gonna go like this.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna make you taller too. I'm gonna go like this. Right. Perfect. Now let's go face down on your belly.
Yeah.
So you didn't have this until you had the knee replacement?
No, it was hip replacement, and I don't know if it had anything to do with it. I'm
Mhm.
assuming it did because I
After.
had drop foot and a lot of other stuff going on
Yeah.
after my replacement. But it was, and it took a little while to get it correctly diagnosed too.
Yeah.
So.
Gotcha.
And I had physical therapy for about 3 months, and really he helped a lot.
Good.
But it's still there.
Yeah. So any tenderness here at all when I push?
No.
No. That's okay. So I'm going to balance this out. So do some drops here. We're going to bring this pelvis down. All right here. So I just open these. Get this motion in here. We have some disc narrowing in here. We want to
Oh yeah.
keep that. It's emotion of lotion, right? One more. You know, this is like 70% water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I drink a lot of water.
good. I was gonna say that's why I was important to stay hydrated and keep motion. And the only way that they stay healthy is to keep it moving too.
That yoga helped me a lot.
Yeah, that's good. And then what we're doing, like with that, I just wanted to keep these joints moving so we get that hydration in those discs. All right, and I'm gonna come right here. I just want to check.
Yeah, that's a bad spot too.
Yeah, like right there.
Yeah, actually not like it was. Ah,
Yep,
yep,
right there.
it is.
There's a spot.
Right
Okay.
there.
So I'm gonna just click a little bit and spot. Yeah. Promise, it's not hurting me at all.
I know. I don't want to scream because I don't know if you have sound on your video.
I'm gonna hold this. Let me know when it starts to decrease.
Okay. Well, now.
Yeah. Awesome. And we go. Oh, right there. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me when this starts to decrease.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah,
Good.
it's better.
Awesome.
Either that or it's numb.
Awesome. So all of that Does it go all the way down here too?
Right there is the bad spot.
Right here?
Right there.
Right here.
Yeah, that's the worst spot, and that's where it burns. When, I mean, it used to be the whole leg, so that's why I say it's better.
It's better now. Gotcha.
Or the whole thigh, I should say, not leg.
Still click here. I'm gonna hold that. Let me know when this starts to decrease. Hitting all those trigger points.
Yes, I know where they are.
Yeah.
That's better.
Good. All right. I think that was good.
Thank
We're
you.
all set. The torture is done.
All right.
How long before this actually appears in public?
I don't know.